Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to turn on the iTunes and App Store on your iPhone or iPad so you can download and update apps and music right from your phone on your device. So it will be very simple and easy, so make sure you stick to the end of the video to know exactly how to do it, and I'll guide you step by step on how to do it. Now simply go to settings right here, then scroll down and tap on App Store. Simply find app and go to the App Store option from here. It will be on the top. Now here, this is where you can control your iTunes and App Store settings. Make sure the switches for apps and music under automatic downloads are turned on. This ensures purchase and downloads work seamlessly, as you can see here. Tap sign in if you are not already signed in and enter your Apple ID and password. Once signed in, your iTunes and App Store will be fully active, so you can do anything from App Store and iTunes Store. It's as simple as that. And that's it guys, you have successfully turned on the iTunes and App Store. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more Apple tips, and I'll catch you on the next video. Thank you for watching.